Good morning students. Today we will start the chapter 7 and the name of the chapter is short run equilibrium output. Okay. So in this chapter we will discuss about the concept. First is concept of short run. Okay. As there are different class of economists like classical economist, new classical economist and modern economist. So classical economists assume that there is long run in the economy. Okay, it means if there is excess demand, problem of excess demand and excess supply, or deficient demand or deficient supply, then it automatically correct. Okay, in the long run, and there is no need of government interfere in the economy. Means they give the one word that there should be laissez-faire economy. It means no interfere, free economy should be there. But new classical, or we can say modern economist says that government interfere play an important role in the economy. So in 1930s there was a great depression in all over the world. Okay. And at that time, a Keynesian class of economists, and the name of economist is J.M. Keynes, okay, he gave his suggestion related to government interfere, okay. At that time, he suggests to the European countries that government should interfere in the economy, and because of that, there will be creation of demand in the economy. So, how government will interfere, he gave one concept, दैट इज पम्प प्राइमिंग कि गवर्नमेंट को इकोनॉमी में कुछ ऐसा करवाना चाहिए ताकि डिमांड क्रिएट हो. तो ही गिव पम्प प्राइमिंग. दैट इज लाइक पम्प प्राइमिंग इज लाइक ए कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ लाइक मनरेगा. उस टाइम उन्होंने सजेशन दी कि लोगों से गड्ढे खुदवाए जाए और उनको भरवाया जाए, उसके बदले में उनको पेमेंट दी जाए, एंड दैट मनी पीपल विल यूज टू कॉम्पनसेट देयर डिमांड. ओके, सो इस तरह से एक सर्कुलेशन चलेगा डिमांड क्रिएशन का, एंड जो अनसोल्ड गुड्स है वो क्या होगी, सोल्ड होगी, एंड देयर विल बी मोर प्रोडक्शन इन द इकोनॉमी. तो जो इकोनॉमी है वो एक पाथ पे आना स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. सो एट प्रेजेंट टाइम वी कैन सी द मनरेगा दैट इज लाइक पम्प प्राइमिंग ओनली. सो एट दैट टाइम ही सजेस्ट अबाउट द गवर्नमेंट इंटरफेयर, एंड आफ्टर दैट ही गिव दैट इन लॉन्ग रन वी ऑल आर डेड. ओके, modern economist says that in long run we all are dead, so short run play a very important role, and they give concept related to short run. So J.M. Keynes was focused on the short run problems. Okay, he said that recession, depression, boom, all these are problem can be solved in the economy in short run only, and in short run government should interfere in the economy. Okay, so that concept pump priming play a very important role in the economy, and because of that the economies of the world came out from the depression. Okay, means उस टाइम जो डिप्रेशन इकोनॉमी में चल रहा था, तो जो वर्ल्ड की इकोनॉमी थी वो केन्स के कॉन्सेप्ट पे चली और वो उससे बाहर आ सकी. ओके, सो आफ्टर दैट that macroeconomics become the very famous part of economics. Okay, so J.M. Keynes is economist is famous for the concept of macroeconomics. Okay, so in concept of short run we will talk about the that how equilibrium can be determined in short run. Okay, then we have equilibrium concept, then determination, what components are used to determine the equilibrium. Then we have shift in equilibrium. Okay, that how can we shift in equilibrium. Then investment multiplier and its mechanism. Then we will talk about what is multiplier and what is its mechanism. So multiplier that is concept of basically mathematics, but that is used in economics to generate the investment, or we can say for the multi-purpose things like मल्टीप्लायर है उसको यूज किया जाता है कि इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो कितने गुना बढ़ेगी ये चेक करने के लिए. ठीक है, सो वी विल स्टार्ट फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ शॉर्ट रन. ओके, सो J.M. Keynes, a very famous economist, J.M. Keynes, he gave concept of short run. Okay, short run concept is given by J.M. Keynes, and classical economists talk about long run. Okay, but Keynes said that in long run we all are dead. and all the economic problems should be solved in the short run. So government play a very important role in the economy. Okay, so he suggests that in short run equilibrium can be determined in if we are talking about the macroeconomics, so we will use AD and AS, means aggregate demand and aggregate supply. Okay, he said that the level of output in short run in the economy is related to, or we can say is determined by level of employment. Okay, level of employment. It means more employment in the economy means more output. It means higher level of employment in the economy means more people in the economy are working in the process of production, or we can say more population is employed. It means there is higher level of output in the economy. Okay, so there is positive relation between level of output and level of employment. Higher level of employment, higher level of output. Lower level of employment, lower level of output. Okay, so there is positive relation between level of employment and level of output. Increase in employment means increase in output. So there is positive relation between employment and output. Okay, so this statement was given by J.M. Keynes. He said that there is proportionate relationship between employment and output. If employment in the economy increase, then output obviously take place. Okay, then we have about concept of equilibrium. Okay, this is about the short run. कि शॉर्ट रन में किंच ने बोला कि जो हमारा लेवल ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट है दैट विल डिपेंड ऑन द लेवल ऑफ आउटपुट, दैट विल डिपेंड ऑन द लेवल ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट. मोर पीपल आर एम्प्लॉयड इन द इकोनॉमी इन द शॉर्ट रन, देन मोर लेवल ऑफ आउटपुट इन द इकोनॉमी. ओके, सो व्हाट डिटर्मिनेंट्स आर यूज्ड टू डिटरमाइन द लेवल ऑफ आउटपुट. सो we will talk about the concept of equilibrium. So Keynes give AD and AS. So what is AD? We already talked in chapter 6. What is AD? Aggregate demand. Okay, what is AD? That is aggregate demand. So Keynes said that equilibrium can be determined in the economy when AD is equal to AS. Okay, AD is equal to AS. Equilibrium condition in short run, equilibrium will take place when AD is equal to AS. It means aggregate demand in the economy is equal to aggregate supply. As in micro we discuss about the demand and supply, but in macro, at the macro level, we talk about aggregate demand and aggregate supply. Okay, so aggregate demand means it is the sum total of expenditure that people plan to incur on the purchase of goods and services. Okay, so AD, we can say it is the total expenditure on the goods and services by the people in an accounting year. Okay, so aggregate demand हमारी क्या होती है कि जो लोग टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर करते हैं गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज पे, उसका सम टोटल है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एग्रीगेट डिमांड. नाउ व्हाट इज एग्रीगेट सप्लाई? इट इज टोटल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज that producer plan to produce in an accounting year. Okay, so producer total goods and services को produce करने का जो प्लान होता है, टोटल उनका प्रोडक्शन होता है, that is aggregate supply. Okay, so if aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply, means AD is equal to AS, then there is equilibrium in the economy. So this is the state of equilibrium. We can say it is the state of equilibrium in the economy. Okay, aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply. If equilibrium does not take place, for example, AD become more than AS, then what will happen? If AD is more than AS, it means aggregate demand is more than aggregate supply. Then the producer will suffer loss due to less supply in the economy, because he is not able to fulfill the whole demand in the economy, and they will suffer from the loss of एक्सेस डिमांड में. जो एक्सेस डिमांड हुई है इकोनॉमी में और जो सप्लाई है वो हमारी कम है. इट मीन्स people expenditure want to expend more money on the purchase of goods and services, but there is less supply in the economy. Okay, and if there is AS, we can say AS, aggregate supply, is more than AD, then what will happen? If aggregate supply is more than aggregate demand, it means that there is more supply and the producer will suffer from the loss of unsold goods. Okay, the goods will remain unsold in the economy, so the producer will suffer from the loss of unsold goods, and there is excess supply in the economy and less demand in the economy. So this condition, or we can say situation, this is the situation of depression. When there is, जब इकोनॉमी में मंदी आ जाती है, डिप्रेशन की सिचुएशन होती है, then this statement take place. There is excess supply, aggregate supply in the economy and less demand in the economy. Okay, so we have discussed about the concept of short run. Okay, so short run concept is given by the J.M. Keynes economist, and he said that aggregate level of output in the economy is determined by the level of employment. Means more employment in the economy, more output in the economy. If there is less employment in the economy, then there is less output in the economy. Then how equilibrium can be determined? Then there should be aggregate demand will be equal to aggregate supply. Okay, if aggregate demand is more than, it means there is less supply in the economy, and if there is more supply in the economy, then the producer will suffer from the loss of unsold goods. Okay, so students, watch the video and also read the chapter from your book. If you face